Well, this is the King Slash from Slash Institute of Technology and Learning Center, and that is our logo. And today I'll be showing you how to open or sign up on different emails. As you know that all Gmails are emails, but not all emails are Gmails, because we have more types of emails like Gmail, Outlook, which is reinvented Hotmail. We have Yahoo Mail, we have all mail, we have Yandex email, we have Proton email, we have Zoho email, we have mail.com, we have GMX email, we have Fastmail, we have Hostmail, we have inbox.com, we have Shortmail. So we have so many types of email accounts. Though I know most of people use this Gmail and Yahoo, and we have so many types of email accounts. So today I want to show you how to open these like 15 there will be like 15 email accounts, though the principle remains the same. So I just open a Gmail account, then the very same steps can be used to open the rest of those email accounts. So one thing, you need to be connected to the internet like that. We connected to this the King Slash CG. Well, I have the connection here, but I've been connected to that internet access. Then I need to go to the browser. You can use any browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Torch, Opera Mini, Internet Explorer, Marathon, whatever. But right now I'm using this Google Chrome. Yes. From there you have a couple of ways to do. You can just hit here, there is a Gmail icon there, or if you don't want to use that, you can just right here sign up Gmail. Signing up Gmail, we have sign in and sign up. So if you already sign up, that means you want to create a new account. But signing in, that means you already have an account, so you just want to enter to your account like that. So you can just hit enter after signing up Gmail. Then we have so many links there. These we call hyperlinks, in short links. But I suggest you to use this one here, which is create a Gmail account, Gmail help hyphen Google support. So you can just hit there. Then you come to this link here, which is create an account. Well, from there you have to fill your details there, like first name, last name. You choose an account there, username, whatever. So I just wanted to write it as maybe slash, and the last name to be slash, and my user account wanted to be slash, well, slash maybe slash Sangha, like that. Then go to create password. Then there I can I want to write my phone number, just my phone number, just my phone one. You can choose any password you want, and here repeat the very same password that you wrote there. So I just repeat my phone number. Yeah. And here we have date of birth, whatever. I can just assume maybe December. And here maybe 12, and here the year. I can choose then like that. Whatever. That's not my real birth year, and I am a male. Well, I can just write my number there. Oh, well, let me use the other number. You can use also this number to get me on WhatsApp, and we can share so many things. From there you got next. From there you can just hit here twice like that. then you go to agree. I agree. Yes, because you agree with these terms and conditions of the Gmail, like that. Yes, from there you see this is S. The Gmail just takes the first letter of your first name and makes it as a profile picture. Yeah, that's the secret between. So you go to continue like that, and my email will be like this. Yeah. So from there you come to this side here, then you go to Gmail. You wait a bit there. Yeah, it's opening. So the very same process you can use to open other kinds of accounts. From there you can just log out this demo here, the way to look like. Okay, you can just next. If you don't want to see these demos, then you can just scroll over here. Then there you go. So this is my account is already. My account is ready now, so you can just compose if you want to send anything from anyone. So there, the two, you can just write the recipient's address or the receiver's address, like sangawtz gmail.com. That's my account. Then on the subject, then you can just write a demo. Demo. Then I can attach anything from there. Can attach this one. Here's the picture. So here's uploads there. Now we have one downloading, upload. There it is uploading. Now I can just send it there. Okay, or I can just write anything there. If I can say that, maybe for more clips like this, say visit our blog. What's our blog? That is www hyphen, it's like dash king slash dot blogspot.com. WhatsApp number is plus 255-62-400-319, or our Facebook page is Technologists SS, and our YouTube channel is the King slash the King. Oh, sorry, right here is the King slash online channel, like that. So there we go. So from there I can just hit send. Then now my email is already sent there, so I can just receive there, or I can just review my send mail and to see, yeah, here it is. You see here, I can get the link there. This is the link. I can just click it and get connected to that blog. That's the good thing with these links. So that's my blog. So I can just visit the blog there. It even shows the viewers there. Okay, from there you can just see here, learn IT online, free online IT class. You can click there. I don't have this one. You can just click there, then it pops up. You get a new connection there, like that. So this is our channel, the King Slash Online channel. You can get more clips there. Have this one, how to hide forests. This is how to restrict cutting and copying. This is a bring part, fix Wi-Fi program. See, so that's the way. It's loading now, like that. Yeah, so that's our blog. Okay, and just fire it right there. Yeah, so that's how we do. Then you can just go to the draft start, just use the inbox to see the received mails. So anything you can just pay with it. So you can just go here. Also, I can just show some other things. Go to this icon here, the setting. Then go to setting. It's loading here. So you have so many things there. You can just play with it. You see, you can just write your signature there. Let me show one thing. Let me show one thing before. Let me show one thing here. And just go to themes like that and choose a picture. I will change the background picture. You can just browse to get your photos there. You can just upload a photo, then select from my computer like that. You can just choose this one here. Oh, let me do this. Got picture like that. Then I want to use this one here. You can even set your picture, your real picture. I want to use the desert picture. I got open. It is uploading now. You'll see the effect of this picture. It will take out the background of this email account, that is Gmail account, and I can just go save. Well, you see the background has changed there, so that's the way to change the background. Or also you can just change your profile picture there. You just click there and click change like that. There were some steps you can do. So I can just use this one here. Then you go to open. It's uploading. Then you will see this S change to that picture, and that will be my profile picture instead of using that S, which is the first letter of my first name, that is slash. So I can resize it like that. I can rotate it left to right, whatever. I can play with it. Then I say set as my profile photo. Well, see, so that's my photo. S has gone. Well, so we have also so many things like accounts and imports, where you can change your password there. You just click there, you write your you have to sign in first, then you get connected to that setting. And if you want to be sending some of these your mails, that if a person sends a mail to this account, then it will automatically forward it to another account. It's possible to do that. Yes. So if this email get collapsed, then you can just get your files back up to another account. Yeah, you see. So this is another account of email. This one here, as I told you, that you have so many email accounts. So from there I can just sign out my account, because I've already opened the very same applies on other email accounts like GMX. You just sign up, you write sign up GMX, or sign up fast email, or sign up inbox, or sign up short mail, or you can just go to Proton or mail or GMX, wherever. You can just go direct and you'll get connected. So Outlook, that is the reinvented Hotmail. Then there you go. So I just sign out, and for more clips like this, you just visit our blog. That's www-theking/blogspot.com, or you can just visit our hold our Facebook page, that is Technologist, or on our WhatsApp number, that's +255 +255 624 000 319. So I'm signing out. Bye bye. So sign out like that. Sorry, just wait a bit there. Signing out.